East Turkestan accounts for 85% of China's and 20% of world's cotton production. It is highly likely that any cotton products made by China may involve slave labor. This has serious implications for global supply chains, as Chinese cotton is exported to countries including Bangladesh, India, and Vietnam, where it is made into clothing. It is very difficult for individual consumers to differentiate if the cotton product is made by Uyghur slaves. Even though many Western governments, including United States and United Kingdom, reviewed of export controls, but this is not enough, Ruqya Turdush, the researcher at Uyghur Research Institute, said. We need to pressure governments. Governments should take very strong action to push mandates due diligence or ask companies to disclose their suppliers. Views of China have grown more negative in recent years across many advanced economies, and unfavorable opinion has soared over the past year, a new 14-country Pew Research Center survey shows. Today, majority in each of the surveyed countries has an unfavorable opinion of China. And in Australia, the United Kingdom, Germany, the Netherlands, Sweden, the United States, South Korea, Spain, and Canada, negative views have reached their highest points since the center began polling on this topic more than a decade ago. 86% of people of Japan, 81% people of Australia, and 73% of people of Canada and the US have unfavorable views about China. Reason of unfavorable views of China is mainly about China's spreading of Wuhan virus, as well as China's genocide in East Turkestan. Especially China's horrific mass rape camps not only created strong anti-China sentiment, but also ruined the reputation of Chinese citizens as they can represent their country. United Nations demanded to unfettered investigation on China's genocide in East Turkestan. China's delegate Zhang Duan told the UN Human Rights Council this week that China welcomed the United Nations High Commissioner to visit the region. But he said the aim of the visit must be cooperation, not the investigation. Despite the genocide cannot be internal affairs of any country according to responsibility to protect in Charter of United Nations, China opposed the interference and rejected concerns raised by Australia, Sweden, and the United States at the Geneva Forum about China's genocide against Uyghurs and other Turkic Muslims. Reuters News reported this week that around 65% of Bitcoin mining capacity was based on China due to its cheap electricity. 40% of coal production of China that can produce cheap electricity is produced in East Turkestan, where China is implementing genocide. East Turkestan accounted 14.4% of Bitcoin mining in 2019 in China. Bitcoin investors are complicit in China's crime of mass rape camp, slave labor, torture, and the killing of Uyghurs in East Turkestan while they invest in Bitcoin.